If your application is having an error or something, you can just follow me through the steps to first close an application by opening Task Manager, like what am I doing right now, and you can find the application that you are having problem with. For example, that I'm having problem with Google Chrome, I can just right click it and click on End Task. So whatever the application is doing right now, if you click on that application and click on End Task, it will be ended. Definitely 100% will be ended, the error will be gone, and you can restart the application, for example like your game or something. Well, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.